In this video, we're covering how to group and ungroup zones when you have multiple controllers connected to the app. Stay tuned.
So right now I'm connected to one of our full-size controllers and one of our XK mini controllers that's controlling our fiber optic head. The full-size controller has two zones, so that's showing up as 1 and 2 on the controller. And then the mini controller is a single zone that is showing up as 3 on here. Now if I want the fiber optic controller to sync with the full-size controller, I have the ability to actually group them together. So all you do is grab the single number and pull it over the group. To ungroup, you tap the dot and pull that group out. Pull it over and let it group. Now you have to pull the number into the group. I can't take this group and pull it over the 3. You have to take this single zone and pull it into the already grouped zones. Just like that. And then everything will function as one. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with XKGLOW. We'll see you next time.